Well, the latest strategy of furnishing letters from the opposition ruled chief ministers may become an ace for the government because it may weaken the BJP's argument of no consensus on FDI in retail, where opposition's unity may also suffer a blow as it could reveal the state's actual stance on this issue. Well, BJP's alliance partners like Akali Dal in the past have shown interest in allowing FDI in Punjab. The letters may just highlight the cracks within the NDA. Well, it's BJP versus the Prime Minister on the appointment of the CBI Director. After the BJP's letter to the Manmohan Singh government asking for reversal on the CBI Director's appointment, the Prime Minister has outrightly rejected this demand. In fact, the Prime Minister has also hit out at the BJP for making baseless allegations of preemptive decision in the wake of Select Committee recommendations. In a reply to Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley's letter, the Prime Minister said, "The insinuation that the appointment was made to preempt the procedure recommended by the Select Committee is wholly unwarranted and devoid of any merit. I also refute the suggestion that the appointments to the post in the past by the UPA government were motivated by collateral consideration. In view of the above, the question of keeping the new appointment in abeyance does not arise."
Three names have been finalized. Ultimately, the Prime Minister is authority to decide. And the Prime Minister, in his wisdom, considered but Sri Ranjit Sinha being a senior 1974 batch officer, and he is the senior most among the officers. And then the Prime Minister decided the name of Sri Ranjit Sinha in a fair manner and following the due process, which has been the CBC has recommended three names. In that, the Prime Minister has got the authority to decide one name. Where is the question of unfairness in this?
देखिए, पहले तो अभी कोई मुझे लगता नहीं है कोई आधिकारिक रूप से कोई अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है, और हुआ भी है तो एक प्रक्रिया के अंतर होता है। मतलब आप पहले से कोई सीबीआई का डायरेक्टर बन रहा है नहीं बन रहा है, आप पहले से ही अपनी राय दे दें, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसमें तो सिर्फ राजनीति का खेल कर रही है। और दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि सीबीआई का डायरेक्टर कोई राजनीतिक पद नहीं होता है, उसको एक सरकारी पद है, वो अपनी प्रक्रिया से बनता है और उसको वैसे ही रहना चाहिए। हर पोस्ट को आप पॉलिटिसाइज करेंगे तो सरकार की गवर्नेंस सिस्टम चल नहीं सकती।
Well, it's the war of letters between the Prime Minister and the BJP over Ranjit Sinha's appointment. Well, the Prime Minister gave the BJP a taste of its own medicine by publicly rejecting the principal opposition party's demand. Well, it is learned that the Prime Minister was upset over the fact that the BJP posted its letter on the website before sending it to the Prime Minister. So the Prime Minister chose to send a strong message to the opposition party in a tit-for-tat manner. Also, the Prime Minister strongly objected to BJP's charge of a preemptive decision on the CBI Director's appointment. Meanwhile, the CAG Joshi Nexus row has now snowballed into a full-fledged political battle, with the government taking the fight to the parliament. Well, sources have told Headlines today that DMK and the Samajwadi Party will fight the government's war in the House. The UPA will move the motion seeking discussion on revelations made by RP Singh. According to the strategy, the DMK will raise the demand and even move the motion, and Samajwadi Party will back it.
आलोचना करना, सरकार के फैसले पर उंगली उठाना, ये उनका दायित्व है, वो उठा सकते हैं, लेकिन आंकलन किस आधार पर किया, इसे तो उन्हें प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए था, वो नहीं प्रस्तुत किया गया। और जो अधिकारी रिटायर हुए हैं, वो भी शायद इसी बात पर उंगली उठा रहे हैं कि आंकलन कैसे हुआ। कम से कम ये तो सिद्ध किया जाए कि आंकलन आपने किया कैसे। इसीलिए इसके पीछे कहीं न कहीं किसी साजिश और किसी षड्यंत्र की बू नजर आती है।